So another new feature that we've added to our new update is the removal of data links associated to your libraries and projects. Because we no longer need data links, consolidation handles all the updates of the custom properties in the background. So what we've done is I've just added into our tools function the new feature to be able to remove the data links. However, the current name of it will remain the same, and it will only stay there until our 2021 release, and hopefully by then data links will be completely removed from all of our files and libraries. We've used this tool ourselves to clean up our own databases, and it's been an exceptional process. What I find is that you probably want to limit the number of files that you collect to 3,000. I've tried 10,000 and it gets to about 5 and it will fail. I think it's due to memory not being released. So just be wary that that happens. If you select import files and a folder, there's my folder, and I go in and select my folder, it will pull in based on the filters that I've currently set both my parts and assemblies. If I select everything in the tree and then go remove data links, it will open up each file, look for the data links that are in the feature tree of those components or assemblies, and it will remove them for you.